If you haven't seen one of my first videos about putting in a door, well, I'm gonna go ahead and make another one. Got this door right here. Got me some hinges. I'm gonna take that hinge and put it right there where this is flush with the edge of the door. Then trace it out. You want to do the other hinges as well. Some doors have 3 hinges, some only have 2. So whichever way you want to do it. Then you're going to notch that out. What you want to do, when you notch it out, you want to notch it out about 1/8 of an inch or so. So what I do, the width of this, I just put this right here on the edge like this, and then mark it on the back side. That way you'll know how deep to chip this out, whatever you're using to chip it out with. Get you a hammer and chisel or screwdriver, anything, and chisel this out with, or use whatever you got. You'll see me use my grinder on many of my videos. When I had died, so I had to pick me up another one. Check it and see how flush it's going to be. If it's flush right there, you're good to go. If you got that chipped out, see that it's flush, know which way your hinge is supposed to open. So if you got it in the right position, you know where it's going to hinge open. Just get your screws and screw it to your door. Put the rest of the hinges in like so. This is a heavy solid door, so when you're working by yourself, make you something to help lift it up. Got me a piece of metal. I have to take a stand on this and lift the door up until I can get it screwed in. Remember I told you this wasn't square. So since it wasn't square, I put this on my table saw and slice it down to about 1/4 inch and put it around the casing on my door. Then I had to I use my planer. I use my planer, plane it down a little bit. Then with my little scrap pieces, put me some shims in here. That's pretty good right there. Just a little bit of daylight. Time I put my trim round on the inside. Also, come back on the outside, put my trim, what people call it brick molding, put my trim around outside the door. Be good to go.